Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-owned Vehicle program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance of the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure BMW owners have come to expect.